Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a location-based holiday list in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your account and just go ahead over to Leaf Tracker. Click on it. And once you're in here, as you can see, I have these tons of holidays, which is actually a Philippine holiday. Okay. So what you'll do to make this specific list is just by going to the top right, click on this drop down. Okay. Besides holiday, click on holiday gallery like so. And then what you'll do at the top left, you have this country drop down. Just click on it and go ahead and select your specific country. All right. Let's say, for example, again, I'm from the Philippines. So I'm going to go ahead and select Philippines right here. And this list will show. Okay. You can go ahead and select all. Okay. So another example is maybe Singapore, like so. Now you can go ahead and enable all available options. Okay, just tick on this checkbox besides holiday. And then once that's done, just click on add selected holidays and it will be listed right here under your holidays. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you create a location-based holiday list in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.